Big, bold, brilliantly loud. Let's meet the macaws that own the jungle runway. These guys live in the Amazon and beyond. Red. Blue. Every neon in between. Macaws are more than pretty faces. They're smart, social, and travel in tight-knit family squads. They use massive beaks to crack nuts, climb like pros, and talk with squawks you feel in your chest. But here's the real plot twist: habitat loss. And pet trade put many species at risk. Spot one in the wild? That's a lucky day. Take a respectful photo, keep your distance, and don't feed them. Want more wild color and curious facts? Follow for quick nature hits you can actually brag about.